Okay. Hold on, babe. Sing happy birthday to Uncle Dale. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Dale. Happy birthday to you.
You know how old he is today?
No.
He's 50 years old.
I appreciate it that you're 50 years old.
You appreciate that he's 50?
Mm-hmm.
So does that mean he's really smart? Because he's really old?
Mm-hmm.
It does?
I mean, no, it doesn't mean that.
Oh. What does it mean?
It means that he would like to have him. He would like to get married.
It does. Oh.
Is he already married?
Aunt Janice.
He's married with Aunt Janice?
Yeah. Pretty much. How many fish do you think Uncle Dale's caught in his life?
100,000.
100. Okay, Sydney, look up at the camera. Can you say, no. Can you say, Sydney, look up here and say, happy birthday, Uncle Dale. Uncle Dale. You say Dale? You said it perfect earlier. Okay, say happy birthday, Uncle Dale.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dale. Happy birthday, Uncle Dale. Through my pants.
Jeez.
My head is through my pants. I can't see.
Say we love you.
We love you.